What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Chris Rod, Sun City Lawn Care. I just realized, man, we're in the darn middle of July almost. I haven't shot a video in quite some time. Posted on YouTube. I've been slacking it, but the reason why is I've been crazy busy with the real estate investing, the lawn care company, and my digital marketing agency, amongst my 9 to 5 at one of our local Applebee's. But either way, I needed to catch up with you guys on something that I've been doing, and it's been my project at my neighbor's lawn. That's probably a bad view. The project I was doing at my neighbor's lawn, where we were doing a restoration, because they had tried everything, whether it been laying down some fertilizer, seeding, you name it, they tried it and they just couldn't get nothing going. And so I opted to go ahead and help out with them and optimize their soil, and we've done that. And I'm gonna edit this video to where I can show you a picture of how it was and how it looks now. And I would say we've got close to 80-85% coverage right now with this grass. So let's go take a look. Look at that. Still working on that area right there, but there was an accident. They had actually put down some weed and grass killer there, which really didn't help out. But look at that right there. No fungus. We got good growth all over the place. The Bermuda is spreading and it'll fill in. I'm not worried about that. And what was it, a couple weeks back, they actually went to the extent of laying down some topsoil, and don't ask me why they did it, but they went ahead and wanted to throw down some seed in the middle of June. We had 100-degree temperatures, and I was able to catch up with them about that, and educate them about germination temperatures and everything like that, which you can do it if you want, not necessary. I actually don't recommend you do that sort of thing. Wrong time of the year for it. Moreover, you don't know what you're gonna get 100% of the time in the store-bought bag of seeds. You go to Home Depot or Lowe's, it'll tell you the description of what kind of seeds is on the back, but it's a variety. It's got different percentages of different variants, types of Bermuda, if that's what you're buying. So with that being said, what about that? Look at that. All right, guys, what we are looking at here, and again, this is an update. This is an update on what's going on with my lawn. You can see where I mowed earlier. It's got those the blade circles. I got an indentation there in my lawn. Doesn't look good, but here nor there. Look at the green on that sucker. How's that quality picture right there? Not too shabby, right? Okay, so just to catch you guys up with what's going on with my lawn, is that we have a combination. This is my testing ground for the N-Ext fertility program, okay, and the Milorganite organic lawn care program that I got from the LCN, that I've been doing for 2 years now. This year I've done some additional applications besides Milo. I've done the Ringer Lawn Restorer as well, and I was really active with the pre and post emergent this year, as opposed to 2016 when I bought the house. In 2017, didn't really do anything back then. So again, I've already mowed it, I've already trimmed it up, edged it and everything, which is why it looks the way it does. I don't use a trim, or not a trim, I'm sorry, I don't use a what do you call it? I'm at a loss of words right now, but I'll think of it. But not too bad on the edges. The green is just there. But let me tell you why it's green. Milo, my N rates, applications are appropriate, every 5 to 6 weeks. And then I'm optimizing the soil as well. How's that view? Bumping around too much, walking all over the place. Okay, but back to like what I was saying is that the reason why it's the green that it is obviously because of my fertilizer applications, except I'm only doing Milo over there. There's no Milorganite or lawn restore on this side of the yard. So the question then becomes, well, Chris, how do you get both sides so green if you're not doing any nitro here? Well, it's because I'm optimizing the soil. N-Ext Fertility. Okay, so July 1st. Normally everybody does the organic and the treatments, the NPK inputs. Okay, July 4th week. Okay, I had to do mine a little early. You know, it is now the 15th or the 14th, one of the two, I forget. But this is a 13-14 day time period after I did my Milorganite treatment on this half of the yard, and then I did my Humic12, RGS, and my Microgreen on that side of the yard. That side of the yard over there, no macro whatsoever. Okay, right here, all macro Milorganite. Okay, and I think it's looking gorgeous right now. The colors there, it's beautiful looking. You know, I would be able to tell a significant difference between the left and the right. If I pull the soil sample, it's going to tell me exactly what's going on with the soil. But as far as the green goes, you know, this is a very, very healthy looking lawn. I've got no complaints. My family has no complaints. My neighbors over here whose lawn I'm taking care of, they love it. They enjoy the view. My pole doesn't look all that great right now, but they enjoy that view. And it's all about lawn care. What are you guys doing to your lawn? So we're gonna continue with this. We're not gonna touch it again until August, mid-August, but we'll continue with the Milorganite. Oh wait, Milorganite, Chris, where are you getting your Milo from? You know what? It's interesting because I did a. Everybody knows there's a Milorganite, you know, shortage right now. So then the question becomes, well, what are you gonna use when you run out of Milo? Interesting. Do I resort to Ringer Lawn Restore and I just use that? It's organic, because this whole lawn is organic. It's a, you know, the LCN's hybrid organic lawn care program that I've been applying this whole time. But the question does come, well, when you run out of Milo, what are you going to use? Well, if I've got that side of the yard as green as it is without any Milorganite or Ringer Lawn Restore, the macros over there is minimal. But when I run out of it, what do I use? Do I just bring the N-Ext Fertility program on over to this side of the yard and say, the heck with Milorganite, I don't need it, and just use a different fertilizer? That's the thing about the N-Ext Fertility, is it's designed to optimize the soil and the fertilizing program that you've already got in place. Okay, so I've got to get the nitrogen from somewhere. The potassium, the phosphorus, you know, there's a little bit of all that product in the N-Ext Fertility, okay, with the Humic12 and the RGS and everything. I know the N-Ext Fertility program, the LCN and GCI Turf Academy, they're launching the 1801, the liquid fertilization program. They're launching that soon. I know you can do your pre-orders now for it and everything, which is great. I'm not jumping on that money train yet. Now the reason why is because I still have plenty of Milorganite. Those 2 bags for those 6 bags, I'm sorry, those 2 stacks of Milo for my lawn, that'll last me a while. However, I also have applications for my clients that I do that I actually use this product on. So I will be resorting to the N-Ext Fertility, the 1801 here really soon. Okay, I'm really excited about it. Okay, so you guys stay tuned for that. I will be doing applications of that, but you know, today's video was just kind of a touch up on what's going on with my lawn, the applications I've done. The green that you see here now is a combination of Milo applications only and the N-Ext Fertility program only. They are identical. right now on top of the surface. They are identical. But I guarantee you, if I start digging, they're not going to be identical underneath. But you know what? That's for you to decide on what you're going to do with your lawn. Let's get a quick picture of this area. This picture was so bare, and I'll put the picture up just so you guys can see the difference. But total wow factor, in my opinion. So that's going to be it, guys. It was great talking to you. I look forward to following up and showing you what's to come. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me some likes, some thumbs up if you guys find this information useful. All right, y'all have a good one. Ciao.